Alan, you have a counterclaim in this matter, which I want to be clear, I take very seriously. You haven't put a figure, I want to be clear, on your counterclaim.
No.
You're asking me, as you are entitled to do, to assist you come to a value. That's fine. You say that things were posted about you online which are both malicious and false, and that has caused you to lose some business. Am I right?
That is.
What was posted about you, sir?
Well, she was basically saying that I'm an untrustworthy person. Do not leave deposits with me. You won't get your money back. She also privately inboxed people my personal details, my address, where I live.
Just pause. That is important. I've got some of these examples. Thank you, sir. Did you personally post Alan's address online, or did anybody you know post, let me finish, madam, Alan's address online as a result of this issue?
No, Judge, never.
Do not leave deposits for any items with his name of. What's the of? I can't see the of. Is that the address?
That's the main page. She privately messaged.
Well, it's got the area he's from.
I can't text, Judge.
Who's written that? Is that you?
No, the lady who was teaching me to do the computer. I couldn't have done that.
Did you know that that had been posted until this moment?
No, Judge. No, I did not know.
Do you think that that's a reasonable thing to leave? You won't get it back. That is your reasonable opinion. It's what she believed to be the case because that's what happened to her. Right? How is that false, what she says there?
Well, at the time, you know, I didn't specifically state she wouldn't get nothing back.
You
But at the
did
end
say
of the
that.
day-
Talking, sir, you did say that. You've said that to me. You made it clear that you were legally allowed to... And by the way, it wasn't the worst thing to say. In law, you could have been right. It's not straightforward. When that was posted, it is true to say that you were not going to return deposits.
That's not always the case, is it?
I believe that you didn't post it, but for the avoidance of doubt, it is still your responsibility.
Yes, Judge.
Now, Alan, you have a message that I think you want to give me which relates to the publication of your address. It's a private message which was sent to the admin of the selling site.
Yes.
The post should not be on any of the sites. She left a deposit and messed me about, and then you claim that she's given your personal information. And then the person's written back saying, yeah, she wanted me to ban you. Lol. Some people I don't think I can at the mo, as out at this phone. Good Lord. Well, it needs deleting. She's giving me number out. Yeah, I know. Sent it to me and address. Why? Why my address? Now, what I've got here is a third-party hearsay statement that the person who runs this site received your address.
That's correct.
I don't have evidence of that address actually being sent. Did you, madam, or did somebody on your behalf send Alan's address to the person who administrates this site?
No, Judge. I was the only one that knew his address, Judge.
Well, it looks like it's been done by a private message. Madam, I have somebody here who says that you are giving his number out, and what's more, this is the person that runs this whole site, that you have given him the address. Is that right?
No.
Now, here's the thing, sir, this was a private message. It was not published to anybody. Consequently, you can't have suffered any severe or serious loss. But I am going to give some advice to Sue, which I hope you can hear. Do you understand?
Yes, Judge.
Sue, I know that somebody's helping you, and that's very important. You, madam, are responsible for all or any messages which are sent on your behalf.
Yeah.
That is very important.
Yeah.
That means that if somebody puts something out there into cyberspace, as in online, which was untrue or false about a person, or where you published, in other words, you sent somebody's personal details, it's not your friend who's liable, it could be you.
Yeah, I understand.
And that, madam, could be very costly indeed. In this case, because the address was not published, it was a private message, You are not legally liable. However, you came close. It would correctly assist Alan if you could get some help to take that off.
I'll have to get help, yeah.
It's a wise
I know
idea.
Where I can do it.
Because it's not fair.
No, I agree.
You agree?
I agree.
That will assist you, sir, correct? I
Yes,
will
thank
ensure
you.
that happens, and consequently, although I've heard your case in reply, I've done my best to apply my mind to your legal submission. I'm afraid I have to dismiss it. Nevertheless, it was a reasonable reply. Don't be stupid. Stay and watch the best Judge Rinder moments. And I'm talking. Understood? Don't be a moron. Subscribe to Judge Rinder YouTube channel. Right now. That's an order.